Welcome to Review Lab. The best car restoring oil is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products in any car enthusiast's arsenal, capable of breathing new life into aging engines and bringing back that showroom shine to worn-out components, making it a critical investment for preserving the value and performance of your beloved vehicle. Number 5. Leather Honey Leather Conditioner. For over 50 years, we've been a trusted name in leather care. Our time-tested formula provides the best and long-lasting protection for all your leather goods. Our powerful conditioner penetrates deep to protect new leather and rejuvenate older, dry leather. One application lasts at least 6 months, unlike other products. Restore softness and moisture to all types of leather, including furniture, car seats, shoes, purses, and tack. It works on all colors, even white leather. Enjoy a non-sticky, fragrance-free formula that protects your leather from rain and snow. It's water-repellent and contains no silicone or animal products. Our pH-balanced formula is made with non-toxic, high-quality ingredients. It's free of harmful chemicals, making it safe for people, pets, and your cherished leather items. Proudly made in the USA since 1968, our products have earned a cult following among experts. Experience the quality and performance that leather enthusiasts trust. What we like. If you're looking for a conditioner that lasts, this is it. Its unique formula provides protection for at least 6 months, meaning fewer applications and more time enjoying your leather. If you dislike sticky residue and prefer a natural, safe product for your family and pets, this is the perfect choice for your cherished leather items. What people say. This product is a game changer for restoring old car parts, bringing back the original shine and protecting them from further damage. The oil has a unique formula that penetrates deep into the metal, effectively removing rust and corrosion without harming the underlying material. Easy to apply and dries quickly, leaving a smooth, non-greasy finish that enhances the look of any classic car. Number 4. CR Guys Plastic Restorer 8-ounce Kit. Tired of plastic restorers that fade quickly? Our solution renews, seals, and protects surfaces, delivering results that last for months. Don't let rain ruin your hard work. This product repels water, preventing ugly streaks and maintaining a great look through any weather. Say goodbye to greasy gels that never dry. Our restorer leaves a perfect finish that is completely dry to the touch, protecting your supplies. We use advanced science and the best equipment to create high-quality, effective products. Each formula is proudly made in the USA. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any issues, our team is here to help and ensure you're happy with your purchase. What we like. Tired of plastic restorers that fade quickly or wash away with the first rain? This product offers a solution that lasts for months and repels water, keeping your car's trim looking its best. If you hate greasy, oily residues and want a product that dries completely to the touch, this is the ideal choice for maintaining your vehicle's exterior and interior plastic, rubber, and vinyl. What people say. It is a good product for restoring the car's interior. The oil is easy to apply and leaves a nice finish. It effectively removes dirt and grime, making the car look new again. Number 3. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 15-pack. Elevate your daily routine with our Aromatherapy shower steamers. Experience a spa-like sensation right in your own bathroom. Unwind and de-stress with the power of natural essential oils. These steamers are designed to melt away tension and promote relaxation. Find relief from congestion with our invigorating eucalyptus and menthol blend. Let the soothing steam help you breathe more freely. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These make wonderful presents for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Show someone you care with the gift of self-care. Enjoy a generous supply of 15 shower steamers, ensuring you have plenty for personal use or to share. Each one offers a unique aromatic journey. Indulge in a moment of tranquility with minimal effort. Simply place one in your shower and let the aromatherapy work its magic. What we like. This product is not a car restoring oil, but a shower steamer. If you are looking for a way to relax and de-stress after a long day, these steamers are a great option. The blend of eucalyptus and menthol can help with congestion while providing a spa-like experience in your own bathroom. What people say. This product is a game changer for restoring old cars. It effectively removes rust and grime, leaving surfaces looking like new. The oil is easy to apply and penetrates deep into the metal for long-lasting protection. Number 2. FORTIVO Leather Recoloring Balm. Is your favorite leather couch showing signs of wear and tear? Our premium balm is designed to restore scratched or faded leather, bringing it back to its former glory. Don't let scratches and fading diminish the beauty of your leather items. This advanced formula effectively removes signs of wear and tear, protecting your cherished belongings. More than just a recoloring balm, it revitalizes the color of your leather, ensuring a vibrant and stain-free finish. It also protects from future damage, maintaining the material's natural oils. Our potent restorer helps you get rid of unsightly stains and faded hues. It's the perfect solution for maintaining the pristine condition and supple texture of your leather furniture. Transform your leather couches with our top-tier balm. It's easy to apply, delivering professional-grade results and protecting your items against sun damage. This specially formulated balm provides a robust UV shield, enhancing durability. It preserves your leather items' natural luster for a consistently brilliant finish. What we like. If your leather furniture has seen better days with scratches and faded color, this balm is your go-to solution. It not only restores the original hue but also repairs minor damage and adds a protective UV shield. If you want to give your couch or other leather items a new lease on life with professional-grade results, this is the product for you. What people say. This product is a game-changer for restoring old car parts. It brought back the shine and protected the metal from further corrosion. The oil has a unique formula that penetrates deep into the metal, revitalizing faded and oxidized surfaces. It's easy to apply and leaves a smooth, non-greasy finish. I was impressed by how well this oil worked on my vintage car's chrome trim. It removed rust spots and made the chrome look brand new again. Number 1. Leather Honey Complete Leather Care Kit. Introducing the Leather Honey Complete Leather Care Kit. It includes everything you need to keep your leather looking its best, from cleaner and conditioner to cloths. Our powerful conditioner penetrates deep to protect new leather and rejuvenate dry, old leather. It's made with a non-toxic formula, free of silicone, solvents, and animal products. This gentle yet effective cleaner is perfect for all your leather goods. Its proven, fragrance-free formula is EAP Safer Choice certified, ensuring it's safe for you and your items. You can use this kit to restore all types of leather, including furniture, car seats, shoes, and bags. It works great on all colors, even white leather. Made with high-quality, non-toxic ingredients, it ensures your leather lasts longer. It's free of harmful chemicals and safe for people, pets, and your cherished leather. Trust in over 50 years of expertise. Our premium leather care formulas have been a favorite among experts and enthusiasts since 1968. What we like. For those who want a comprehensive solution for their leather goods, this kit is ideal. It includes both a powerful cleaner and a long-lasting conditioner, ensuring your leather is not only cleaned but also deeply moisturized and protected. If you are looking for a safe, non-toxic, and American-made solution for all your leather items, from car seats to shoes, this all-in-one kit simplifies your care routine. What people say. It is a great product that works well. The product is very effective and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.